Imagine a world not too far off, where it's as easy to program a robot to do your shopping or to take a driverless car for a spin as it is to use a smartphone today. Robots have the potential to improve the quality of our lives at home, at work. They have the potential to advance scientific discovery. They have the potential to power the economy and generally make the world better. And yet, the objective of robotics is not to replace humans by mechanizing and automating tasks. It is to find ways for machines and humans to be more effective together. For example, commuting to work in your driverless car will buy you time and will allow you to read, to work. And now imagine if these cars can learn. Imagine if they learn how you drive. If they learn to never be responsible for an accident. And what if your car could talk with your refrigerator, figure out that you're out of cat food, and suggest where to stop on your way home? This is the future work of pervasive robotics, the connected world of many robots working with many people doing many tasks. Robots put computation in motion. They are programmable mechanical devices that take input from the world through sensors and impact the world through their actuators. The robots think about the input from the sensors, think about the tasks they have to do, and then issue commands to their motors to move in the world. The robots also have to interact with each other and with people in support of their coordination tasks. And the robots might become specialized so that we have special delivery robots, special autonomous driving robots, special cleaning robots. Transportation is already moving towards this direction. Now, this change towards autonomous driving will be gradual. And in fact, this change was defined by 5 steps towards Level 5 autonomy by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Level 0 is what your car can do today, which is nothing. Level 1 is if you have a high-end car with a rear-pointing camera that helps you decide on what to do. Level 2 enables the car to take small actions on your behalf, like anti-lock brakes. Level 3 allows your car to take longer actions, but the driver has to be ready to take over at any point in time, and this is the current Tesla model. Level 4 is autonomy in some environments some of the time, and Level 5 is autonomy in all environments all the time. This is an extraordinarily exciting path to where transportation will become a utility available to anybody, anytime.